open this Smuggler's Bounty I got. I mean, my dad's friend got it for my dad, so I'm gonna open it. Ah, dang, I ripped it. Okay, let's unbox. Ooh, there. Okay, I cut it at the bottom already. Okay, I have a pin. It's Poe Dameron, and I got a BB-8 patch. Behold your first share of Smuggler's Bounty. It says right there. Right there. Okay, let's open. We got a Star Wars Funko Pop T-shirt. It's cool. Force Awakens. And then we have, excuse me. We got this cup from the entire line Funko Pop housewares. It's not just a C3PO cup. And then the last thing we have in here is a Chewbacca Funko Pop. Star Wars Smugglers Bounty exclusive. So ours is exclusive only to this. It's awesome. I know. Okay. I think this is the end of the video. Okay. So, bye.